Hi friends, this is Shweta here, and today I'm going to do a makeup haul. And basically I have been vlogging since some while. Suddenly I've just suddenly grown my interest of vlogging. I've been vlogging since I was 13, but I decided to finally open up a fashion vlog, which is very close to me because I love fashion and I'm a fashion addict and I love shopping, and fashion is something I can never put my eyes off. So basically, what happened is I do follow a lot of YouTube vlogs and also some of the fashion vlogs. And one thing, I was just searching for a nice eyeshadow palette for myself because I have just started with the whole fashion thing, and I'm not really good at makeup though. But yeah, I thought I would just buy something for my eyes. And looking at the brands that are available in India, eyeshadow kind of costs because firstly I'm a student, I don't earn, so it should not be something which is really heavy on my pocket. So I finally decided on buying an eyeshadow palette, and I was really confused about it. So I turned on to some of the fashion vlogs and the YouTube vlogs, and what I got to know was there is this one of the very popular products nowadays with the fashion bloggers is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Redemption eyeshadow palettes. And I have been having, I've had my eye on it for a really long time, but I never got an opportunity to buy because it was always like around 1200 Indian rupees, and it was kind of expensive for me. And my budget would maximum let me to like 700 and 800 would be the maximum I can go for an eyeshadow palette. So, but another point was I wanted a branded product. I just did not want to go with a product that was cheap, because cheap things are really available in India. You can really get the cheap eyeshadow palettes at like really cheap rates, like peanuts. But I thought I would go for something which is more branded, because I believe makeup is something you should buy branded because you're dealing with your own skin and you don't want unwanted breakouts. I just turned into Jabong because Jabong is something which is really popular as a fashion site, online shopping site. And what I found was Jabong had a sale going on, and I luckily got a sale. And the Makeup Revolution, I was just checking out their I was checking out their collection on Jabong, and I got to know it was a 50% off going on, and I was like so happy because I finally would get my hands on the eyeshadow palette. And I tuned into the many of the eyeshadow palettes that I could see, Makeup Revolution, and with a lot of analysis and the kind of choice, because it was really confusing. I just wanted one eyeshadow palette, but I really like three of them. But no, I don't have the money to buy all right now, so I decided to go with only one. And what I chose was the Makeup Revolution Redemption eyeshadow palette, Iconic number 3. And today, and I ordered it on Jabong. I paid online, and the only complaint I have is the tax that I have to give on the price. It was 600 bucks after discount, but I had to pay like 30 bucks tax, which I guess is not a very attractive deal, because if you consider a site like Flipkart, they don't charge you taxes additional. So I just hope Jabong please listen to this and don't charge us with the taxes. It's kind of not attractive because it actually puts off the whole discount thing. You actually end up thinking, oh god, okay, I bought something on discount, but I'm really paying something on taxes. Why should I pay it on taxes? So okay, I ordered it on Jabong like around, I guess, last Saturday, which would be like 2 to 3 days ago. I paid online, and today I received my order, and I'm really happy. The delivery was pretty fast and pretty seamless, nothing, no issues with it. Um, Another thing I want to note is actually when I tried to first order Makeup Revolution, I was not actually able to make an online payment because some of the issues with the debit card payment online, I don't know, there's some issue. And the Jabong executive like called me, and he was asking me, ma'am, if you have any issues, you actually withdrew from paying for it. If you want, I can just confirm the order right now. And I was like, okay, dude, the problem is I don't have cash, so I have to anyways pay with my card. So I ended up anyways ordering. So the thing, what I want to say is they're really particular on what you're doing with it. If you have an account with Jabong, they really track you out on what you're doing with the product, whether you're paying, whether you're on the verge of paying, whether you are ordering something. And okay, anyways, let's come back to the product. Okay, so I received the Jabong packet, and the first thing I saw was, I just opened it up. I could not resist it. I had to see whether any damages were there. The Jabong packet has actually kind of changed. It used to be white and orange, and now it's all gray. It has the bill over here, which is always, anyways, with the packet. And here is the Jabong. It's kind of hidden, but you can see it. I kind of like this packaging because it's kind of classier than the last one. I used to think the white one looked really dirty sometimes. To get dirty, and I used to be like, okay, please do something with the packaging. I really love this grey packet. And this came again, the packet was pretty huge, and I was like, okay, I just have one eyeshadow palette. It's not even actually that big. And it came with a box like this. So it was like really good packaging. Okay, the box seems to be a bit of tabbed and all, but it's okay because the product was not that big, so it was okay. Then it was wrapped around with a bubble wrapping. It was really bubble wrap, so I was happy because nothing happens to your product if it's bubble wrap. Then it came in a packet like this, it was just packed with, this has like, I don't think they actually have the original package which Makeup Revolution gives because it's a UK brand. So what they do is they give it in this one, and the MRP that's been written here is 1200 bucks. So you can see, if you can see it properly, the MRP is 1200. And I paid like around 630, so it is almost like 50% and a bit here and there. So let's come to the palette. Here is the palette that I received. I don't know whether you can see the color clearly because I have a bit of a lighting problem here. I don't think you can basically see the coloring. And the thing I was happy about is the quality of the packaging is fab. I really love it. It's plastic, but it does not feel that cheap because the problem with plastic is sometimes it tends to feel really cheap, and I'm not kind of put off with that kind of a quality. This looks so gorgeous. I love the way Makeup Revolution. It's written Revolution Makeup Revolution London. Here are the instructions. You know it's an original product. And the best part, it tells you the ingredients, which is important because you need to know what you're applying in your face. It's manufactured, you can see it's designed and developed in UK. Now here you can see that they've been imported this stuff. That's why it's written that it's been imported and marketed by Conver Corporation in Delhi, and with the MRP it's 1200 bucks. So you know it's an original product, so I'm happy with it. Let's try to open the packet. I'm just kind of struggling to open the packet. I'm not really able to do so. Don't know why. Something to do with the packaging. Come on. What's wrong with the packet? I want to open you, dude. Come on. Half the packet is open. Come on. I need to open up. How do I even know how to look? Sorry. Have to struggle with it. I don't know what's wrong with the packaging. It's really tight. But you know it's good because if it's tight, you know it won't come off. Okay, there's sellotape. I did not see it. Shit. Oh my god, this looks so stunning. Just look at this palette. Sorry if you're not able to see it properly. I really love. I think you're not very clear with the colors though because of the lighting. But it has like really nice shades. It has all glittery, and as well as some of the matte shades are really nice. Nice, and it has. Just gonna look at it. Shimmer. Nice. It's really nice. What do you say? I'm really happy with it because these are all kind of nudes and a bit of pinkish. The best part is it goes with Indian skin tone because the problem with most of the eyeshadows is if you buy like really odd colors, it does not go with your skin tone. And because I'm like really not dusky, I'm kind of reddish, not exactly fair and dusky, but I'm in between. So I need to be really particular on what I'm wearing on my face because everything does not suit me. Next thing is it comes with a brush, double faced. I think it's nice, but the thing is I don't have a brush here because I'm at hostel and I don't own brushes right now. So I guess I'll have to buy one nice eyeshadow brush because that way it's better. I really love how it's packaged. It's kind of really strong. The size is really nice. It's compact and you can actually put it in your bag whenever it's. I really like this. I just can't wait to use this. I just hope I can use it really quick. So basically, this was my review makeup haul from Jabong. I'll be coming up with another haul from Jabong really soon because I've ordered another thing which I don't want to reveal. I would obviously reveal it soon. Anyways, stay tuned to my channel. You can also visit my blog at www.shopaholicbars.wordpress.com, and you can put your comments and suggestions. I'm really new to this, so I'm not really good. You can add on to how I should come up to present things and what I should present, and you're really welcome. I'm really looking forward to interacting with you guys, and so see you soon. Have a nice, beautiful day. Ciao.